Okay, guys, welcome to this breathtaking off-grid tiny house, a perfect blend of modern design and nature, built on a sturdy foundation with a sleek flat roof. And this home is both stylish and functional. Okay, welcome to this breathtaking off-grid tiny house, a perfect blend of modern design, warmth, and functionality. Step inside and experience how lightwood interiors, expansive windows, and a smart layout create a bright and cozy living space. And as you can step inside, you are immediately welcomed by the warmth of like wood covering the walls, floor, and ceiling. This natural finish creates an inviting and airy atmosphere, making the space feel much larger than it is. One of the key design elements of this tiny house is the use of large windows. They not only bring in an abundance of natural light, but also offer stunning views of the surrounding landscape and seamlessly connecting the indoors with the beautiful of nature. Let's start with the heart of the home, the modern kitchen. This is the modern kitchen. Despite the compact size, this kitchen is fully equipped with everything you need. From high-end appliance to cleverly designed storage solution, it's built for both convenience and style. With elegant countertops, minimalist cabinetry, and a smart layout, this kitchen makes cooking effortless and enjoyable. The lightwood finish blends perfectly with the overall aesthetic, maintaining a cohesive and stylish look. And adjacent to the kitchen is a compact yet functional dining area. This modern table, paired with a sleek chairs, offer the perfect spot for meals, works, or even a relaxing cup of coffee while enjoying the scenic view outside. And moving to the living area, we have a beautiful design modern sofa. Its clean lines and cozy cushions make it the ideal place to relax, whether you are reading book, watching a movie, or simply unwinding after a long day. And now let's take a look at the loft bedroom. Instead of a traditional ladder, this tiny house features a beautifully crafted staircase leading up to the loft. This design not only enhances safety but also provides additional storage underneath. Okay, then the loft itself is a peaceful retreat, offering a comfortable sleeping space with just the right amount of privacy. And thanks to the well-placed window, natural light continues to fill the area, creating a bright and refreshing ambience. With its thoughtfully designed interior, well-lit space, and modern furnishings, this off-grid tiny house is the perfect example of how small living can be both stylish and comfortable. Every detail has been carefully crafted to maximize space while maintaining a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Okay, well, the clean lines and modern design create a spa-like atmosphere, making this bathroom feel cozy yet stylish. A well-lit space is essential in any bathroom, and one of one is designed to maximize brightness. Recessed lighting in the flat ceiling ensure a clean and modern look, while natural light pours in through the large window, enhancing the sense of openness. The large windows are strategically placed to bring in fresh air and natural light, creating a bright and airy environment. They maintain privacy while offering a beautiful view of surrounding nature, making every moment spent here feel refreshing. Let's start with the essential, the modern toilet. Designed for both comfort and efficiency, it blends seamlessly with the rest of bathroom, maintaining a clean and uncluttered aesthetic. Whether you are off-grid or connected to utilities, this toilet is built for convenience. Next, we have the shower cabin. Enclosed in elegant glass panel, this modern shower creates a sense of openness while keeping the space dry and organized. The rainfall shower head adds a luxurious touch, making every shower a refreshing experience. Proper ventilation is the crucial in any bathroom, especially in a tiny home. The built-in exhaust fan ensure that moisture is quickly removed, preventing humidity build-up and keeping the space fresh at all times. Now let's take a look at the vanity area. The modern sink set atop a minimalist countertop offers both functionality and stylish. The design is simple yet elegant, maximizing the space without compromising on aesthetics. And above the sink, a stylish mirror enhances the brightness of the room while adding a touch of sophistication. Its placement reflects light beautifully, making the space feel even more open and inviting. From the warm lightwood walls to the modern fixture and smart space saving solution. This off-grid tiny house bathroom is a perfect example of luxury and of how luxury and practically can exist in a small space, or in this case, in a small house. Every detail has been carefully considered to create a serene and functional retreat. Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now is only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This doesn't mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and a synchronized layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you about the useful ideas and inspiration about the tiny house, especially about the how to design the interior tiny house with any case. Okay, so uh, could you could you see yourself living in a tiny house like this? Let us know the comment below. And if you love this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And thanks for watching until the end in this video. And I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. And see you in the next video. Have a good day.